So first method is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click to Windows Start key, go to Setting, click to System, scroll down, Troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows Update. Click on Run and wait few seconds. It is detect what's issue in your system. It is coming like check the Windows Update issues, then select on No, then close, then next. Click again Start. Second solution, click to Run, open this, type service.msc, then press W, Windows Update. This is Windows Update. Double click to open, and if it is disable and manual, so please select automatically. Okay, then apply, and if it is not start, so click on Start, then OK, and then again select the Windows Update and then click on Reset, Restart, then close. Next, delete the software distributions folder. Open this PC. Okay, go to C drive, then go to Windows, then software, come on S series, software distributions, open, then data store, that is your Windows data. Again back, select all, right click and delete. Check this and again, so check and skip this, close, again Windows R and OK, and Windows Update, and same, click to restart, then close. Next method, try clean boot. So type msconfig and search box and press enter, and right click to run as administrator. In the system configuration windows, go to service tab and check box next to hidden Microsoft service and click disable all and disable non Microsoft services. Then go to startup, click open task and disable startup items, startup wise. So which is not required, like mobile link is not required, right click and you can disable it. Suppose Steam is not required in startup, this is already enabled. Okay, right click and disable and then close. Next method, reset network update component by cmd command. So open cmd, click to start and type cmd on Windows search box to right click to run as administrator. So that is all command to reset component. So one by one type, you can directly copy paste, otherwise you can type manually. Copy and paste and hit to enter. Then second, this command I will give you in descriptions. Four. Then yes, like I right click, copy, simple, only right click to automatically paste this, enter. Updated. One by one type all the command, do not miss any command. This is for proxy, reset proxy and hit enter. And last one, so that is a stop, firstly stop the services, then that is a command, then again start the service. Okay, then close it. Next method, run memory diagnostic. Type memory in the Windows search and select Windows memory diagnostic. Right click to run as administrator and choose the restart now and check the problem. Wait few minutes. So you can check no problem have been detected at. Okay, then press escape for exit, F on options. So select escape. Running test pass, press 1.